Hey, my name is Dolphin 254 and I'm here with this beautiful queen that's on the move. So we are traveling to SUSWA. I'm so excited about this trip. By the way, we are going to nowhere. Tunaenda SUSWA kufanya nini? So let's go, join us in this trip. I hope you're going to enjoy it. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe to Dolphin 254, subscribe to Shaz on the Move. Yes. We have amazing content coming your way, guys. I hope you are ready. Yeah. So hebu tuende tuwaonyeshe. The SUSWA SGR passenger train was officially launched by the Kenyan President Uhuru Kenyatta in October 2019. It is a continuation of the 485-kilometer lane from Nairobi to Mombasa, which was launched in May 2017. This long-distance passenger train runs from Nairobi Terminus in Syokimau all the way to SUSWA through Ongata Rongai, Ngong and Mahi Mahiu. It operates 3 to 4 days in a week, which is mainly on Wednesdays, Fridays, Saturdays and Sunday, making it an awesome weekend plot to get out of the busy city life. So we started our trip from Nairobi, the central station in Nairobi. We decided to go to the central station since we were traveling on a budget, and this was a good idea because traveling from Nairobi Central Station to Syokimau is 50 shillings, okay? So let's go, and I hope you're going to enjoy this video. And if you're watching us for the first time, consider subscribing to this channel right away. Give it a like and enjoy the views. Nairobi Terminus. Kwa niaba ya Nairobi Commuter, ningependa kujulisha kwamba gari letu hivi sasa liko tayari katika laini ya kwanza. Wow, it's finally time to get into the train. We left the Nairobi Central Station at around 6:30 a.m. using the commuter train to Syokimau, which costed us 50 shillings. So I think this is a good idea for anyone who is trying to travel on a budget.
Just get one because me already have one. The small one?
The big one. Hey, watu wamejipanga, guys.
When you are telling me.
Yes, but I forgot to buy these things. I was a bit busy, but anyway, we have to experience both ways.
Yeah.
So how much is everything?
970.
970. Okay. So we are from the ticketing area. We are now headed to the waiting bay. So this is the waiting area, and as you can see, the place is not as busy as it is usually when people are traveling to Mombasa. So we didn't stay there for a long time. Yeah, we just left to the train because it was already time. So let's go tupatane ndani ya train. You can see we are currently here at the Ongata Rongai Terminus. So at this point I'm expecting more passengers to board, because currently, as you can see, this is coach number 2 and we don't have as many passengers as I was expecting. So let's wait and see. I'm just hoping that the coach will be full. Yeah. That's good of them.
Yeah.
No one will be left out.
It says at the station for 15 minutes.
Yeah. So this is the first station. We still have 2 more to go. Wow. And after staying at Ongata Rongai Terminus for about 15 minutes, the train took off. So enjoy the beautiful views of the Ngong forest to Patane Ngong Terminus. To record for you one tunnel. Yeah, there are 3 tunnels on this route. We have the Ngong Tunnel, Kimuka Tunnel, and the Nachu tunnel. So enjoy the beautiful views. This is how the tunnels looks like. By the way, the views are just awesome. If you're already loving this video, give it a like. Msininyime likes, subscribe if you haven't, and don't forget to share the video to your friends. As you can see, I also met new friends. Look at this. And what does this mean? Your trip to SUSWA can never be boring. So thank you so much for watching till this point. If you've watched till this point, just comment down below. Tell me, Dolphin, I love your videos. So thank you so much. Tupatane SUSWA station. Thank you. Job. By the way, town iko wapi from here? Wapi? Mali kuna blue. Ile buildings za blue ama? Mbele yake. Is it a walking distance? Najua wewe utakataa tu juu nataka tupande taxi. Yeah. Ni walking distance. Na ukitupeleka ni how much?
Inakwanga 50-50 per person.
Oh.
But zinakwanga places mingi. Kuna ile hoteli inaitwa Mara Gateway.
Mara, which one? Huko mwisho. So huko ndio 50 bob.
Hiyo tena food na drinks.
Yeah.
Hapo nyingine inaitwa Zambezi.
Zambezi. So ni food tu na drinks. Hakuna kitu kingine, activity yote inafanyika huko. Oh. Okay. I think twende naye 50 bob. Sawa. Alafu turudi. Sawa. Aya. So guys, we have to go to the washrooms first because we don't know if where we are going. We don't know if we'll get washrooms huko mbele. So wacha tumalizane tu na story mingi hapa. So these are the washrooms. I think they are both for ladies and gents. Oh, this is for ladies. We're done with the washrooms. At this station, we have to share. So this other side is for ladies and this other side is for gents. So let's go. Let's go to Zambezi. Now that you are finally here at SUSWA, and probably there is someone watching this video and would wish to visit SUSWA. And maybe you're asking yourself, why should you come to SUSWA? So here are some of the activities you can do when you come. Yeah, if you are someone who loves to read books, by the way, SUSWA is such a cool place that you can just come, chill, relax, and read your book as you wait for time to come back. Yeah, this is an awesome idea to just get out of the busy city life. Another thing, when you have a family, you can take them out here at SUSWA. Yeah, there's a hotel called Zambezi. It has a swimming pool and good food. Yeah, transport to Zambezi is 300 shillings by the taxi guy. Yeah, it's 2,000 actually, but it is a 7-seater taxi that you can share the transport with other travelers. There's also another good hotel, yeah, the Mara Gateway. So this is where we went with my friend. We just went there, have lunch, and had a tour of the small town of Suswa, and then it was time to come back to Nairobi. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you're already loving this video, or if you love this kind of contents that I do, just give this video a like. If you haven't subscribed, or if you are here for the first time, consider subscribing, guys. So thank you so much. Enjoy the rest of the video. Let me know where you're watching me from, and let me know what you think about the video. So until next time, bye. So this is the food I've been served. So mbuzi what?
Mbuzi fry.
Mbuzi fry and some fries, chipos.